So this is our final output here. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can make like this output. So simply it's look like copy of Facebook login page. Like if someone click on mobile number or like that, and in passwords like this, just this, it simply look like copy of Facebook login page. That is, let's get started how we can make like this. So as this is our Facebook image, I downloaded it from the internet. If you want, then comment me, I'll provide the link in the description. So let's open with VS Code to design. Now let's create index.html. So index.html. Let's create CSS file also. css.css. We name it install.css. Style.css. Now let's write down boilerplate code. Also open with live server to see its output. So this is the output. Now let's rename this file document. We want to write Facebook cp Facebook login or sign up. Now let's save it. Now as you can see here, this is our title here. Now let's design the structure of our page. So firstly I'm writing in form type because we write everything inside the form tag. So form, and inside form iconic text will be here. Let's create a div class of main. So inside this class main, let's write down its name is main box, class main box. Inside the main box, firstly we have to insert a first Facebook image. So I am using img tag img. So src and src, you have to make this image what I downloaded from the internet. So this is our image. So now it's completely displaying on our screen. Now we have to resize the image size. So how we can do that? Let's firstly link style sheet, link rel style.css. Let's save it in style.css. We want to give this image inside and div tag to make it easier to design. So fbimg. So I'm writing this image inside the fbimg. So let's save it. So style.css, first write boilerplate code of CSS. So that is the star means this CSS applies in all elements. So star m0 plus p0 means margin 0 padding 0, and font family I am choosing Arial and this sans serif. Let's remove it. I give it a comma. Let's save it. And text decoration none. Text decoration none. And box sizing border box sizing border. Let's save it. Now we have to resize this image size. So we have to directly target this fp image class by writing dot at first. Dot this, and inside it img resize size. So first let me minimize the screen to show you the output here. So inside this width 300 pixels. Save it. Now this image is size reduced. Let's make this side. Okay. After that, height 106 pixel. So save it. For that I am giving this margin left, margin left, margin left -28 pixels. Now it's looking good. Now let's resize the box .img class, fp.img, because we directly targeted that image, not that box. So we have to resize its height. So firstly, not do that. Let's give the structure of our HTML, then we'll design it at the last everything. So let's format it, and after that, let's create another div dot child. Oh. Inside it, we have to create another child, div dot inside child. Inside it, we have to write here text here also. So in tag connect. Let me pause the video, and after I complete it, then I'll resume it. So I completed the text here. Now let's insert the structure of our page inside child class. Let's write down here an email tag. So inside div tag, so inside div email with class email. Let's write down here input tag, input text. So in placeholder, we have to write here placeholder email or phone number. Now as you can see here, our input tag is here. So let's format it, and I'll tell you another how we can insert other stuffs. Now let's create another div to insert password. So div dot password. Inside it, let's create input tag with type password. Password. Sorry. Password. And remove this name and ID section. We don't need it. And insert placeholder. In placeholder, we have to write here password. Set it. Now the other password tag is here. Now after that, let's create another div. Inside it, we have to insert an forgot password link. Div dot forgot. Inside it, let's create anchor tag with. We don't want to redirect to another page. Not now. That's why it's hash forgot password. That's it. Now as you can see here, because we used text decoration under none, that's why there is not underline here. And after that, let's create another to div dot line. So in Facebook UK, you have seen there was a line like this. So that's why I'm creating a div class with line, and inside it we don't want to insert anything. After that, let's create account section, div dot, because there at last there was a create account button. That's why div dot create, CREATE, create. Inside it, let's write down here button with ID, create account, create account, and with value create new account. we have to put capital F first. Let's save it. After that, at the last, we have to insert him another div. In another div dot text. In that, write it in a span tag, because there was two text, like one was anchor tag, another was simple plain text. So in a span tag, anchor tag, inside a span tag, anchor tag, and inside anchor tag, we have to write here create a page. And after this anchor tag, we have to write here for a celebrity brand or business. Now, as you can see at the last, there was complete. Now our HTML structure is completed. Now let's format it. Let's save it. Let's remove this. We don't want it. Now let's save it. Now let's open style.css. We already designed this image. That's why. Now we are targeting main box class. Let me show you main box. This main box. Inside it we inserted everything. This main box. We target this class, and inside it we have to write here display flags, and after that justify content center to make these items in the center. Now as you can see, this is in the center, and this is not here. This is, we have to put here space evenly. Now you can see here, this looks good. After that, align item center to make horizontally aligned shape. Align item center, save it. Align items. Now we are practicing types as well. So height 100 ph, 100 ph, viewport height ph means, and after that we are giving it background color hash F0, F2, F5. So let's save it. Now it's looking good. After that, let's target this Facebook image box. So inside it, we have to write here .fb image, inside it. We have to write margin top minus 115 pixel. Let's save it. And margin left 50 pixel. And inside this image tag, we have to write here margin left 28 pixel minus 28 pixel. Now let's design this text. So in FP image class, there was a text, target text, and inside that text apply these properties. Means apply margin top minus 11 pixel, minus 2 pixel, and give its font size 28 pixel, and width of 500 pixel. Now this is all are in the center like Facebook, and height of 106 pixel. Let's save it. Now it's looking good. Now let's change its color because it's too dark. That's why color hash this color. Let's save it. Now it's looking good. After that, let's target this child this tag child. So let's copy it from here and put dot at the first, and let's write down some CSS. So margin left, let's put it that side. It's easier to show you. So margin select 120 pixel minus 120 pixel, sorry. After that, let's give me margin top 20 pixel, margin top, not max resolution. So margin top 20 pixel. We put it this because we want to rearrange this item at this, aligning this with these items. That's what. After that, let's target its child. So this inside child dot inside child, copy it from here and let's paste it like this, and inside it we have to write here and hide the width. So firstly, let's give it height h 349 pixel, 349. Now let's give it width. After that, let's give it background color. Background color. Now it's looking good. Give its padding 10 pixel. Now it's padding from the box. It's 10 pixel now. Now let's give a border radius to make this border not curve, like circle a little bit. Border radius 8 pixel. It's little bit circular. After that, let's put these all items at the center. So how we can do that? I'm using display flex or display grid. You can use anything. You can display grid. Place items at the center. Okay, let's save it. Now all items are in the center. Now let's give it for box shadow to look a little bit shadow at the end of this box, like this. I'll show you how I got. I'm giving you 0 pixel to the X offset and 2 pixel in the Y offset and 4 pixel surrounding blurriness. So I'm using RGBA value, RGBA, not RGBA. RGBA. Inside this function, I'm providing this values 0.1. Let's save it. Now let's copy it from here and paste it. Give comma. Let's paste it. And make a line so it look in Y offset. I'm giving you 8 pixel, and inside of 4 pixel I'm giving so 16 pixel. Let's save it. Now it's look a little bit blacker at the end of this box. Now let's design this input tags. So in this section, I'm typing input and type equals to text. Type equals to text. Text and comma at the last. Let's copy it from here and put it here. I'm typing this to input tags because input of type of these tags are password or text. As you can see here, this input tag type equals to password, and at the first, this input tag type equals to text. That's why I'm targeting this. So I'm copying directly from here, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You can use single quote, double quote if you want, but I'm using single quote. You can use double quote as well. So let's make it single quote, and let's give its width. Let's save it. Now let's give its height 50 pixels. Save it. So let's give it outline, because when we click on it, its default outline is black. We don't want to see this outline. That's why OUT outline none. Now if you click on it, the outline is removed. So let's give its border radius. Border 1 pixel. Solid. Give it border, not border radius. Let's save it. Now it's looking good. Now give its font size. I think it's its font size. I'm giving it 16 pixel. Now it's looking bigger. After that, let's give its font width to make it bold. So I'm using 780 pixel. Now it's looking darker. After that, I am giving it padding left 16 pixel. After that, as you can see, the padding left is increased. Now this space between the input tags is too bigger. Let's reduce it by giving it margin from top and bottom. I'm giving it 3 pixel and left and right side 0. Now it's looking much better. Now yes, it's completed. Now let's design this forgot password tag. So inside child, I'm targeting .forgot .forgot class name inside it. But before that, there is an answer. Properties to add. We have to add here border radius. Border radius 7 pixel. Now it's looking good. After that, let's click on it. If someone click on these tags, its color of outline change. So how we can do that? Let's see. Input. Now let's copy it from here back. Let's copy this. Copy and paste and put here and focus tag. That means if someone click this input tags, then its border radius its border change solid and yes. That's it. Now let's see if someone clicks on it, its border changed. Now it's looking good. Let's design this forward password. So format it first. Let's save it. Inside this, give its width 100% and mostly make this text align center to make this enter in the center. So text align center. Let's save it. Now this tag is in the center. Let's format it. Let's save, and after that, let's increase its boldness. So font width Y20. Now it's more bolder. Now let's design. Oh, I think we forgot something. We'll have to put here and submit button. So let's go back in HTML for HTML. So before this forgot password, we have to write here div dot submit. Inside it, we have to write here div dot. Sorry, not div dot. We have to write here input. Type submit. Input submit. and value. Login. Now that's looking good. And format it, save it. Now let's target it. In submit submit class. I'm directly targeting this element by this, like this. So copy it from here and paste it here, and not next. I'm giving it submit here, and curly braces inside it. Let's write down here before this it's would be 20 pixel and height of 50 pixel. After that, let's give it outline none, and border none. Let's give it background color. I'm using this color. Now it's look pretty good. Now let's give its border radius because it's too sharper. So border radius 8 pixel. Now it's looking good. Now increase its font size. So font size 18.5 pixel. After that, let's increase this color. Sorry, let's resize color, change color. So white. Increase its font boldness. So font boldness or boldness. Font 780. Now looking good. After that, we already designed this forwarded section here, but before that we have to put here if someone hover on forward password or create button, then its text decoration becomes underlined, like I show you. If someone hover on anchor tag like this, then text decoration underline. Let's save it. Now right, that as you can see here, it's becoming underlined. Now it's looking good. After that, we have to change its font size and color because it's too lighter. So how we can do that? So inside child, they were like forgot class with anchor tag. So it's increase its font size by by 13.6 pixel. Decrease it and color 18. This color. Now it's looking pretty good. After that, let's design this button. But before that, as you can see here, the height of this tag is bigger. So let's decide it. This like this, not 382, be 64. Now it's looking good. Now let's design this button. So let's see what is the class of that button. So before that, we have to add here line. Okay, so add this line and give it here dot line, and inside that line we have to give here width 90%, and background color of hash BBB BA. Now its heights. We have to increase 1 pixel. Now it's looking good. Let's design this. So dot create button, we are targeting this class. Let me show you this class create. So let's paste it here, copy, create, set this class. I wanna first let's target this button, then I'll show you where I'm playing. Create, inside it there was a button. Increase, first increase it font size 17 pixel. After that, change its font family, change its font, so Arial, like this fonts. And after that, let's give it background color, hash 42 B7. Okay. Now let's remove its outline. So outline none, border none. Now let's increase its height and width. So height 48 pixel and width. Yes. Save it. After that, let's give its border radius. So border radius 8 pixel. And after that, let's put it cursor pointer because the default cursor is not so good. So cursor pointer. Now it's looking good. Now a cursor pointer. After that, let's give its padding to this box because this is too small and not so good. So let me show you how to do that. So dot create and this and padding of 10 pixel from the top and 0 pixel from the right and 15 pixel from the bottom. 15 pixel from the bottom and 0 pixel from the left. Now the space is looking good. After that, we don't have to put this text inside this box. We have to make it outside of this box. So we are directly targeting like this main box. We are directly targeting this child, not this main box. So target this child, copy it from here, and inside of main box we are using this shape. Wait. So let's change it here. Inside dot child. I'm doing this properties. This color, border radius. Sorry, not like this. I'll tell you like what. Let's copy this background from here and let's paste it in this child section. Paste it and so let's back and let's save it. So we have to do like this, cut it from here and we have to remove these elements from here to outside of this strip. Let's paste it. Now it's looking good now. Let's design this. So at the last, page up, page down, at the last we have to target that class. So class is text. So dot text align center. Let's save it. Now this tag is in the center. So give it margin top from 30 pixel because it's too attached here. So margin top 30 pixel let's save it. Now it's looking good. After that, let's target this anchor tag. So how we can do that? Let's inside this text, text text, expand anchor tag and its color. This see, the color is like this, and increase this font width. So font width, I'm giving it bold. Now let's give its font size 14 pixel like this. Now give the font size of this whole span tag. So inside dot text we are typing the span tag and give its font size 14 pixel. Let's save it. Now it's looking good. Now let's format it, save it here. Now we are good to go. Let's see. This is our file output like this. Email @gmail.com. Like this, here, but before that we have to change this color because it's too black. That's why firstly give its color because black is not so good. We make color white. Let's save it, and color white, font width I am making it bold. That's why font width 600. Save it. Now good to go. That's it. The color is also good. This is our output. That is it for today. Like this. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.